This is a bit of a help with some problem solving. There's some Khan Academy problems like this, and you'll run into problems like this on tests all the time, where they'll give you and say, oh, you have 3 pieces of data. So for instance, in this stack, I see that I have 5. In this stack, let's see, looks like there's 6. And let's see, it looks like there's 2 more in that stack, so it must be 8, looks like. So I have these pieces of data, but then what a problem might say is that the mean is equal to 6, okay? But that there are 4 pieces of data. In other words, you don't know what the other piece of data is. So you're wondering, how do I figure this out? So let's review, and I think this is where it's really important to understand that what the mean is a sharing out, meaning that if everybody in this group had the same number of blocks, everybody would get 6. So you would see on the first piece of data that we don't know, that person would have 6. And this person would also have 6. And this person over here, the yellow stack, would also have 6. And the blue stack would also have 6. So again, the mean is to share all of your data equally. So if the mean is 6, it means when there are 4 data, all 4 of those data have 6. Now what I can see there is that when I add these together, okay, 4 6s gives me a total of 24. Right? But if I look at my data right now, if I look at the data I do know, the 3 pieces of data I have so far, I can see that there's 14, 19 total in my data set. But there's this unknown piece here. So 19 plus this unknown piece has to get me to my total that I know is 24. Again, the mean is 6, meaning 4 data have an average of 6. They have 6 each when you share it equally. The ones that we know already have a total of 19, so somebody's got some more that's going to add to 24. So what's the missing piece of data? The missing piece of data would be the 5 plus 19. So that would mean we'd have another stack of 5. Okay, and we can double check that by saying, okay, well, the average is supposed to be 6, so if we take from our 8 and we share equally, we can see that all 4 stacks do now have 6 pieces of cookies or blocks or whatever you'd like them to be. Our 4 data each have 6 in their stacks, okay? So again, finding that missing number is sort of understanding that, oh, what's the total and how much do I have so far, okay? All right.